Hey everyone, Vitaly here, and in today's short video I'm going to be giving you a beginner's tutorial on affiliate marketing and doing it through Google Ads. Now for me personally, I have a lot of experience with this because I do affiliate marketing full time, and here are some of my stats in this business. And 20 to 30% of the numbers that you see here actually come from using Google Ads. And the main strategy that I'm going to be talking to you about in this video, the one that I use to generate these numbers and the ones that I have for many years before that, is basically a three-part funnel where in the first part I target a very specific niche audience and I create a Google ad that caters to them. That ad steers to a landing page that talks about whatever the needs are of that niche audience. And then from the landing page, I steer that to some kind of affiliate product that is well reviewed, has a good reputation, that basically makes me sales if people buy it. So as an example, let's say that for the first one, I target a niche audience of people looking to lose belly fat. That steers people to some kind of landing page that talks about how to lose belly fat and promotes some kind of product that talks about that and helps people with that problem. And then that steers from the landing page to the actual product itself, which helps people with that problem. And I get a commission for each sale that I get. So as an example of how this works, if let's say, for example, I get 1,000 clicks on my Google ad and I spend about $500 on it, but I make, let's say, 10 sales on the back end, and each sale is worth, let's say, $200 or something like that, I will have made $2,000 minus the $500 that I spent, so I will have made $1,500 in affiliate commissions. Profit, not revenue, profit, because I have to spend $500 on the ad. That's an example of how Google Ads affiliate marketing can work, and if done right, it can be potentially very lucrative. But there are pros and cons to it, which I will be getting into within this video, because the truth about affiliate marketing is that it's nuanced. It's not always rosy, or a lot of people like to sugarcoat this kind of stuff, but there are pros and cons to affiliate marketing and the methods that people use, and I'd like to be as honest as possible when it comes to this. So I will be getting into all of those details shortly, but before I do, let me just say that if you are new, or if you are struggling, or perhaps you don't have the money to spend on Google Ads or PPC in general, which is pay-per-click, I do recommend that you check out the resource that I will be including a link to within this video in the description and pinned comment, which will showcase the #1 resource that I use to get to where I am in this business. It helped me become a proficient affiliate marketer through multiple methods, including Google Ads. It has a lot of success stories. It's free to get started with, very beginner friendly. There's more details about that in the description, so check that out when you have the time. But for now, let me get back to the main subject. So as I was saying before, there is a three-part funnel that I use to do Google Ads affiliate marketing with. It's not the only one that's efficient. There are others, but this is the one that I would say is the simplest and most beginner-friendly if you're just getting started. I consider myself to be an advanced affiliate marketer, but I still stick to this one because it's just simple. Simple tends to work better when it comes to these kinds of things. And getting to the main idea behind Google Ads affiliate marketing, if you're new to it, for example, here's a quick breakdown of how it works. Google Ads is basically the advertising platform behind the Google search engine. So if you create ads on Google Ads, those ads can actually appear on the Google search engine. You can actually also create YouTube ads, but that's a subject for another time. So if, for example, somebody types in lose belly fat and I scroll down over here, you'll notice that one of the listings says sponsored, and this is actually an ad that somebody made. It's not my ad, but it's just to showcase what an example of this looks like. Now, one of the advantages of using Google Ads PPC to doing affiliate marketing and business in general is that you can basically create an ad on Google and basically say, hey, I want this ad to appear for popular keywords that people are looking up in Google, whatever the case is, and I want my ad to pop up for that. And the advantage of that is you can potentially have your ad pop up for very popular search terms that people type up on a daily basis, meaning that your ad can get potentially a lot of clicks and you can get a lot of visitors to your landing page and then potentially make a lot of sales quickly. I've had ads that I created on Google Ads that have gotten me clicks within an hour's time, and I started getting sales within that time as well in the past. So this is something that is advantageous, but there are cons to it. You have to pay for it. Sometimes it's a lot, and very often when you create ads, no matter how proficient of a marketer you are, the truth is it's a numbers game, and most of the ads that you create, no matter how optimized your sales funnel is, it may not always provide you with results. So the funnel that I'm showing you here works, but you sometimes have to keep trying it again and again and again see which one works, leave that one, continue testing, see which one works next, and then basically like get rid of the losers and keep the winners. But that sometimes takes time. So getting back into the main concept of that 3-part funnel that I was talking about, let me give you an example of what this looks like. The first part of the funnel is I'm trying to select a specific niche audience that has a problem and needs a solution. And there's a bunch of different niche audiences that's out there, like let's say, for example, people interested in losing belly fat, people interested in affiliate marketing, people interested in getting rid of knee pain, shoulder pain, getting rid of cellulite. Typically, those are niches that I would target. I never recommend that if you're going to do an ad to target very broad things like losing weight or, make money, work from home, because there's a lot of different branches to those subjects which could be irrelevant. You want to be specific from the get-go, and those first examples that I listed, like how to lose belly fat, is one of those examples. Then I steer that to a landing page. The landing page has to be relevant. It has to cater to whatever the niche audience that clicked on the ad to get to your landing page is interested in. So if you created an ad on how to lose belly fat and people click on that, they're probably interested in losing belly fat. So you want that landing page that they land on, which talks about whatever product you're talking about, to talk about how to lose belly fat, to continue the relevancy. So on that landing page, I'll talk about that subject, and then from that, I will promote some sort of product that is relevant. In this case, some kind of product or program that talks about how to lose belly fat. It could be a ClickBank product, it could be something from Amazon, it could be whatever, but as long as it's relevant to whatever that niche audience was from the beginning with the ad, that's what maintains relevancy. The more relevant you are throughout the funnel, the more likely you are to make sales with this. So let me actually give you an example of what this looks like from one of my own personal campaigns. So here's one which I created on affiliate marketing. And in this particular case, I created an ad that shows up for keywords like how does affiliate marketing work, affiliate marketing for beginners, how to get started with affiliate marketing. All of these keywords that I just listed are popular, and they all have the common keyword of affiliate marketing within them. That's already relevant. Now that ad that I created, it steers people to this landing page where I promote a certain product, and this product happens to be Wealthy Affiliate, which is the resource that I talked about before. And on this page, I have affiliate links that take people to the main landing page of the Wealthy Affiliate program. They can sign up for free, and then later on, after they sign up for free, they're welcome to upgrade, for which I get one of these compensations that you see over here. But they can, they can test out the program for free, see if they like it, and I also get recurring commissions. So every single month the person is a member in the program, I get recurring commissions. It's one of the reasons why I like promoting the program, in addition to it being good. So then the third part is the actual affiliate product itself. So in this case, it's the Wealthy Affiliate program, and I always want to promote something that I have confidence in, something that I like, something that pays me really well, but all of these things have to align. A lot of people tend to promote garbage stuff, but they promote it because it pays them good money in the back end. And that's not customer friendly, not consumer friendly. You want to promote something that works for people, that is good, and that you're being upfront and honest with them about that kind of stuff. So I promote Wealthy Affiliate because this is the program that got me to where I am in this business. It's gotten a lot of people there as well in terms of succeeding in affiliate marketing, but I am also honest and upfront on the landing page in that it takes time and work, because that's just the truth. Affiliate marketing is something that takes time and effort to see success with. So I do make sure that I talk about that on the landing page, but I do obviously talk about, the other things. There's a lot of content on this landing page that doesn't just pre-sell Wealthy Affiliate, but it also talks about the opportunities, the pros and cons of it, so I paint a realistic picture. That's just how I do affiliate marketing. And so that's the basic idea behind this funnel that I'm showcasing here. And for this particular landing page, out of the, 700 and something clicks that I got overall, I got about maybe 30 referrals or something, and maybe 3 sales. So in essence, the money that I spent on this was about, $259. It hasn't broken even yet, so I had to pause it. But this is one of the many campaigns that I fired up in Google Ads PPC. And like I was saying before, and when I was talking about the pros and cons, when you create ads on Google, very often it's a testing process. So I fire this one up, I see if this funnel works. If it does, I'll leave it running. If it doesn't, I'll pause it. I'll make another version of it. I'll maybe do another funnel promoting something else. It's a process of giving it time, seeing if it works, and if it doesn't, adjusting it. And if that doesn't work, moving on to a different one, and kind of going through that process until you have at least 1 or 2 winners. And when you have 1 or 2 winners, you leave that going, and that just keeps making you money, and you reinvest the profits to to continue scaling that. And that's how the process of PPC works, of how Google Ads affiliate marketing works, and how I've been doing it for many years. So that basically summarizes what I wanted to get across in this video. If you have any questions about that, leave it in the comments section below. But other than that, I do also want to say once again that if you are interested in learning about affiliate marketing, you're new or struggling, or perhaps you don't have the money to do Google Ads PPC, or you're trying to spend it wisely, I'll be making more videos about how to do that in the future. But check out that resource that I left a link to below in the description and pinned comment of this video, which will showcase that resource that got me to where I am. A lot of other people, it's free to get started with, very beginner friendly. It is also that Wealthy Affiliate program, which you can try for free. But check that out when you have the time. And once again, thanks a lot for watching today's video. I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.